No pressure, no diamonds. Suggesting that in manageable doses, pressure can energize and motivate us to perform and achieve at a higher level. Diamonds are formed because carbon is set under extreme pressure in the earth. Without pressure, it would just be carbon, or maybe it would turn into graphite. Most of the time, if you put people under pressure, it makes them be more productive. They produce more under pressure. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. Believing is the first step to achieving. Without it, our dreams and goals are pointless. Second guessing your capability and questioning your skills will never make you accomplish anything in life ever. The first battle is not planning or thinking of ways to achieve a goal, but believing that you can, and then put your mind in the right place. Our mind works mysteriously. It can be trained to function in a certain way. The second part of quote says you are halfway there. That means you need to take action and begin to move the forces in the universe. When you are halfway to achieving your goals and you believe you can, it will make you go all the way. Success is hard. It demands discipline and focus. You must be willing to make sacrifices to achieve what you want. Failure is the condiment that gives success its flavor. It is unfortunate to see how people view failures. Failure is considered as a dirty word with negative values and emotions attached to it. This scares anyone enough to give up the pursuit of their chosen goals. It requires great endurance and forbearance to go through the phases when the results fall short of the desired outcome. But the truth is that success invariably comes after failures, and it gives the true flavor to success. Success that follows a series of failures is relished much more than otherwise, and only a person with abundant forbearance can taste it. It is never too late to be what you might have been. There is nothing like missed opportunities, at least for those who don't give up and keep looking for them. It's all about having the right mindset. That's what defines everything, including the outcomes. It is never too late to do what you always wanted to do. Time is an illusion, it's a man made concept. The best moment to get started with something is the present moment, because in reality, that's all you will ever have. Everything else is nothing more than an imaginary. Remember that it requires a realistic approach. Be realistic enough, because there is a fine line between dreams and wishes. It is never too late to become what you always wanted to be. But it does not mean that you should procrastinate and put things off until tomorrow. It is better to start right now than to wait for tomorrow, as waiting for tomorrow might result in an endless circle of waiting. Getting started is what's most important, no matter how small the steps are. Once you start, things can always be improved. Conversely, waiting does nothing. When you have a dream, you have got to grab it and never let go. Dreams are something that we must work towards. They can give our life a purpose and inspire us to do a lot of good in our life. A life that is dull and dreamless is not a life to live. That is a boring life. There is nothing more better than having something to work towards. It is why you get up in the morning and work as hard as you do. It is never too late to follow your dreams. If your dreams were put on the back burner to get married or to have kids or to work or to make money, you should re-evaluate your dreams and your life purpose immediately and work towards those dreams once you have identified them. Since life is long, if you have obtained something, you should do all you can do, never let it go. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. So, Gandhi was trying to say that in order to make effective change in this world, we must first alter our personal nature. When we do that, the world is a whole new place for us to make change with our new perspective. If we wait for others to take action on our behalf, we will be waiting a lifetime. Whatever you are, be a good one. A wonderful way to remind someone that a person need not hold an important position or crazy a fancy title to be a success. You must simply do your best. You must do the things you think you cannot do. Nothing is impossible in the world. You must try to do the things which you think you cannot do with a patience and a positive attitude. You can achieve anything. Don't say I can't. Instead say why not, because by doing the difficult things you can impress yourself. Do something every day that motivates you to achieve the greatness.